no lipstick means we're doing lip swatches. Rare Beauty just launched new lipsticks and I'm gonna be swatching all 8 of these. So get ready for this lip swatch video. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because that really helps this channel continue to grow, and I wouldn't want you to miss my content for the world because I bring you guys beauty content for my bonita on a budget, for my beauty lover who wants to shop with confidence. I got you covered right here on this channel. As much informative content as I can. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching these types of videos. Also, everything will be linked down below so that you can check it out, and the products will also be popping up on the screen so you can shop them as we go. Okay, so I am so excited for this. I literally don't even know where to start or how to take these products out. I'm so grateful that Rare Beauty did send these over to me in PR. This is the Rare Beauty's Soft Pinch Lip Oil Sticks. So this is a $25 product. It glides on like an oil and gleams like a gloss with ultra saturated color. The nourishment of an oil, the shine of a gloss, the pigment of a lipstick. And it does have apple seed oil, which locks in moisture and supports the skin barrier so lips feel soft and smooth. It's comfortable, weightless. Formula gives bold, buildable color with a single swipe. And like I said earlier, there are 8 beautiful shades in here, which you can see the shades right there. 1% of the Rare Beauty sales are donated to the Rare Impact Fund to expand access to mental health services and education for young people around the world. We love that Rare Beauty does that because mental health is extremely important. Let's just get into it. The first color is Wish, which is a bright coral. And I'm actually very happy that they give us the description of them in there. So we have Wish, a bright coral. Ooh, we love a gold packaging. Oh, okay, pigment. Smells really nice too. Ooh, that pigment is not playing. It is so hydrating. And it doesn't feel too oily, which is also a good thing because sometimes like that lip oil type of feel for some people can be way too oily, but this isn't over oily. It's more so hydrating, like a very hydrated type of product, but the pigmentation is so there. So first up, we have the color Wish. I do want to swatch it right here. Look at that pigmentation. Next up, we have the shade Dream. Okay, so Dream is a mauve shade. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I feel like this is the perfect mauve shade that you could wear every day. It's just very like everyday friendly, I would say. Super pretty. And again, I love that there's so much pigment in these lippies because we want pigmentation, but we also want it to feel comfortable. So Dream, a mauve, and let's swatch it next to Wish. You can see very pretty wearable shade. Super nice and like has a gorgeous shine to it. Not the husky hair already getting on it. Okay, next up we have the shade Muse in here. And Muse is a nude beige. I like how these look really pretty just on their own. So you don't even have to go in with a lip liner if you're not a lip liner person. So these could honestly just work for anybody. Because I feel like sometimes there's certain lip products that come out that you're like, oh, I need a lip liner with that. No, this, you could just use it for every day without having to carry a lip liner with you. Something else that's really nice about these is that this formula is perfect for any occasion. It has that pigmentation, that high pigmentation, without taking away from your look, without taking away from being too much on the face. Like, it's just very wearable. So we're gonna put that right there. Like I said, this one is in the shade Muse, nude beige. Next up, we have the shade Embrace. And Embrace is a warm brown. Ooh, that's pretty. Giving fall vibes. Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I will say though, with this heat, this is not something you want to leave in your car if you live somewhere where it's like 90 degrees and up, because this will melt. Oh yeah, that is very, very pretty. So again, this one is in the shade Embrace. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna put Embrace right here. Look how pretty that is. You can see all the colors start to kind of take some range, some shape. Okay, now we move on to the pops of color, which I'm excited about. We love a good pop of color. Success, we have here a red orange. Ooh. Perfect for summertime. I will say this one can be very hit or miss for people. I feel like sometimes this can work fantastic, but sometimes it could also be like not the perfect red, but I feel like it looks nice right now. But I definitely do think a red orange is for a specific type of person. Let me know if this is your vibe, like a red orange lipstick. Because if it is, I love that for you. Put her right here. Very, very pretty. Like, I feel like this is the perfect vacation shade. It's so stunning. Okay, next up we have here this gorgeous pink. I love pink. Ooh, this is a violet pink. So this one is Bloom, a violet pink. A violet pink, that is so pretty. This, for some reason, is kind of reminding me a little bit of, not exactly, a little bit of like Candy Yum Yum. That is pretty. So we have Bloom. I'm gonna put Bloom right here. Let's see. We have the last two, which are these gorgeous, like deeper shades. So go in first with the shade Fortune, a deep berry. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty too. I mean, these are all gorgeous. I feel like this is the perfect fall shade for sure. A really pretty berry. I will say though, the deeper you do get in color, I would probably want to go in with a lip liner, or you just want to clean it up after you're done applying it, because I do feel like these do get a little bit messy because they're more so of like that oil formula. So just be mindful of that when you go in with these deeper shades. But that formula, again, it stays completely consistent through all the colors. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous formula. If you love a high shine, hydrating product, this is definitely for you. So let's go ahead and swatch that over here. Perfect, perfect, perfect for the fall. Any time of the year, honestly, but for the fall, it's like perfection. Last, but certainly not least, this one right here in the shade Journey. And Journey is a deep, cool brown. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. Do you see what I mean with these deeper shades? It definitely gets a little messy, so just be mindful. You'll definitely want to go in with a lip liner. I also feel like there's a little bit of inconsistency in the product when you apply it. Do you see how it kind of like gets a little blotchy, a little separated? They're pretty, the deeper shades are pretty, but they're a little bit trickier to work with. Yeah, this one has a lot of inconsistencies in the pigment. I just don't think it looks the best on. Could also be because I've tried so many shades on that my lips are like, what are you doing, girl? But this is the one that I would least recommend because of that inconsistency in color. It's pretty, but it's just, I feel like it'll be more tricky to wear. I feel like these colors always do best when they're in a matte formula because you place them on, they dry down, they will not budge, they're on and in place. This is maybe something you would want to put on top, not like by itself. And I'm gonna place that on this side, like so. So this is Journey. I would say this one is my least favorite. Here are all the colors swatched. You can kind of see right there too the inconsistency of that one. So I would not recommend that one. All the other shades, very beautiful. I feel like the most wearable shades are the shades that were kind of in between, like in the middle. Dream, Muse, and Embrace. I think those are very pretty wearable shades for every day that don't have inconsistencies in them. But the other ones are also very pretty, like Pops of Color, the red orange one, very, very pretty. The pinky one, also very pretty. I do want to put one back on, and like I said, I really like the shades Dream, Muse, and Embrace. So let me swatch them again. So this is Dream, and we have Muse, like so. Dream and Muse, and then the last one that I felt is perfect for day to day is the shade Embrace, that pretty like brown shade. So I think I may go in with Embrace. Yeah, I think that'll go best with this makeup. Yeah, that is super pretty. Now with these, I will say, Bonitas, you definitely do need a retouch. They're not transfer proof, any of that. So just keep that in mind that you will need to retouch these when you wear them. I think this is best for somebody that loves a hydrated look, that likes some really good pigmentation, doesn't like anything too sheer. Somebody that wants moisture out of their product, like this is gonna be the product for you for sure. So again, this is in the shade Embrace. And I do feel like this is a really, really pretty brown tone that can work with, you know, a little bit of a smoky eye moment, or if you want to keep it more subtle on the eyes and then just have your lip be the statement, this is also perfection. The other two shades are also stunning for just like everyday wear. These two right here are obviously more of a warm. This one is more pinky, but you can see just how that all pairs. So I wanted to show you kind of swatches of the ones that I find that are the most wearable, perfect for every day, but that's not to take away from how gorgeous the other shades are. So now I want you to share your thoughts. Which one of these was your favorite? I also do want to say, just overall final thoughts, these do retail for, we said $25, right? Yeah, so these do retail for $25. Again, I think this is great for the person who likes a shine on their lip, who likes that really good pigmented formula, doesn't mind retouching. Do I think there's a lot of similar products like this on the market for more affordable? Yes, I do. And I can name one right off the top of my head, the Revlon ones, especially that color Rum Raisin. Very similar to this formula. I do want to say though, this formula is a little bit more glides on seamlessly. I feel like the one by Revlon is a little bit more of a thicker consistency. And that's just me being very, very picky. These feel extremely lightweight. They don't feel like you have anything heavy or honestly anything on your lips until you go like this and you're like, oh wait, my lips are so hydrated right now. But that's like the most similar comparison I could make it with these, but these are great. Those are my thoughts. Now I want to know what you're thinking down below in the comment section. Let's go ahead and interact, start a conversation. I love interacting contigo. Let me know if you do enjoy watching these swatch videos. I tend to do these more so on short content, but if you want to see them more on long form content as well, I can definitely bring that to you. I just figured a Rare Beauty launch never fails, and a lot of us love the Rare Beauty products, so I wanted to bring it here on long form content. So let me know everything you're thinking. Don't forget to subscribe because that helps this channel continue to grow. We're almost at 70K, Bonitas. Let's go ahead and get there ASAP because I am ready for the 70K. That being said, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful, Bonitas. And I'll see you very, very soon. Adios.